Well, I would like to keep it very simple. I play cricket and all my devotion is towards cricket. You know, I know one thing, whatever is around me is because of cricket.
You know, you have to be honest in life, you have to be honest to yourself, you have to be practical, you have to take risk in life, but at the same time, you have to be calculated. You can't just say, okay, I took a risky option at some point of time. You have to be ready for the kind of talent that's really needed to.
The kind of person I am, you know, throughout my life, I've never tried to change myself. I've always kept it simple. Devote yourself to something and then, you know, be focused on that. So I think it's the ethics and the principles that really matter in life, and I've kept it really simple, so that has really helped.
I feel cricket it's a great leveler. You know, it levels you out. You know, if you're not humble, it teaches you how to be humble. क्रिकेट एक ऐसा गेम है जो फ्लिप ऑफ कॉइन से स्टार्ट होता है. यू नो, टॉस के ही वक्त पैसा ऊपर जाता है, यू डोंट नो हेड आएगा टेल आएगा. क्रिकेट देखा गया एक ऐसा गेम है जब आप खराब फॉर्म से गुजर रहे होते हैं तो 90% ऑफ द टाइम जो ऑपोजिशन का सबसे स्ट्रॉन्ग बॉलर होता है वही आपको बॉलिंग कर रहा होता है, और जो सबसे खराब फील्डर होता है वही आपका डाइव मार के एक हाथ से कैच पकड़ता है.
I'm someone who keeps talking about being in the present, and it's not something that I keep saying, you know, it's something that I truly believe in. And I feel it's always important to be in the present, focus in the present, because what I'm doing in the present will have an impact on the future, and I don't know where I will be in the next 5 years. So to predict about something that's 9 years down the line, you know, it's very difficult. A bit of advice here and there, because I've seen life more than you. I feel a lot of time you think, you know, it's too tough on you, and 24 hours is not really enough. But I feel if you have good time management, you know, 24 hours is a lot.